Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, peace just seems out of reach? You achieve a goal, buy something you wanted, or get that promotion, but the feeling of calm is fleeting, replaced almost instantly by the next worry, the next desire. It's like being on a treadmill you can't get off. What if I told you that the one thing sabotaging your peace isn't your job, your relationships, or your bank account? It's something much closer to home, something you carry with you every single moment. Sadhguru, the renowned mystic and yogi, has a profound insight into this. He says the root cause of our inner turmoil isn't what happens to us, but how we process it. Stay with me, because understanding this one simple mechanism could completely change your life and unlock a state of peace you never thought possible. So what is this one thing? It's your own intelligence turned against you. Now, that sounds counterintuitive, right? We're taught that being smart is the key to success and happiness. But think about it. An animal, like a dog or a cat, lives largely in the moment. It eats, it sleeps, it plays. It doesn't sit around worrying about next month's rent or replaying an awkward conversation from last week. Its intelligence serves its survival, and that's it. But us humans, we have a far more sophisticated intelligence. We have memory and imagination, and this is where the trouble begins. Sadhguru explains that our intelligence has two incredible faculties: memory, which is our connection to the past, and imagination, which is our projection into the future. These are fantastic tools. They allow us to learn from mistakes, to plan, to create art, to build civilizations. Without them, we wouldn't have science, technology, or any of the comforts of modern life. But here's the catch. We have lost control of these faculties. Instead of using them, we are being used by them. Let's break this down. How much of your day is spent reliving something that already happened? Maybe it's a mistake you made, something someone said to you, or a painful memory from years ago. You play it over and over in your head. This is your memory running on autopilot. You are suffering events that don't exist anymore, except in your mind. The event is over, but the suffering continues because you keep reviving it with your memory. It's like watching the same sad movie on a loop and expecting to feel happy. Then there's the other side of the coin, imagination. How much of your time is spent worrying about something that hasn't even happened yet? What if I fail the presentation? What if I get sick? What if they don't like me? You are creating elaborate scenarios of failure and disaster in your mind. You are suffering things that have no reality whatsoever. You are creating and experiencing a future that doesn't exist. This is your imagination running wild, creating a personal horror movie with you as the star. So you're either stuck in the graveyard of the past or lost in the fantasy land of the future. The one place you are rarely present is right here, right now. This is the only place where life is actually happening. The past is a memory. The future is an imagination. Life is only in this moment. But your intelligence, which should be serving this life, is busy creating suffering out of things that are not real. It's a full-time job for your mind, manufacturing misery from the past and anxiety from the future. Sadhguru puts it beautifully. He says, your suffering is entirely your own making. This isn't to blame you, but to empower you. If you are the one creating the suffering, you are also the one who can stop creating it. The problem isn't the memory or the imagination itself. The problem is that you are identified with them. You believe you are your thoughts. You believe you are your emotions, You think the movie playing in your head is reality. Imagine you're watching a movie on a screen. If it's a scary movie, your heart might race. If it's a sad movie, you might cry. But at some level, you know it's just a movie. You know you're the one watching it. You are not the character on the screen. The moment the movie ends, you can get up and walk away. What we need to do is to create that same distance from our own mental chatter. Your mind is the screen, and the thoughts and emotions are the movie. You are the witness, the one watching. When you start to see this distinction, everything changes. When a painful memory comes up, you can observe it without getting swept away by it. You can say to yourself, this is just a memory, a thought from the past. You don't have to engage with it, argue with it, or feel the pain all over again. You can just let it pass like a cloud in the sky. Similarly, when a fearful thought about the future arises, you can recognize it. This is just my imagination running. It's not real. This ability to observe your own mind without judgment is the core of many spiritual practices, including yoga and meditation. It's about creating a little space between you, the observer, and your thoughts. In that space lies your freedom. In that space lies peace. When you are no longer a slave to the random ramblings of your mind, you become the master of your own inner world. So how do we practically start doing this? It begins with awareness. Just start noticing. Notice how often your mind wanders into the past or the future. Don't try to force it to stop. Just observe. The very act of observing creates that initial separation. A simple technique is to focus on your breath. Your breath is always happening in the present moment. Whenever you feel your mind spiraling, just bring your attention to the sensation of the air coming in and going out. This anchors you in the now. It pulls you out of the mental movie and back into reality. Sadhguru emphasizes that your intelligence should be a source of joy and liberation, not a factory for misery. It's the most powerful tool you have. The question is, are you using it, or is it using you? When you learn to wield your intelligence consciously, you can use your memory to learn and cherish, not to suffer. You can use your imagination to create and plan, not to catastrophize. Ultimately, the peace you're looking for is not in a different place, a different job, or a different relationship. It is right here, right now, underneath all the mental noise. It's your natural state. You don't have to create peace. You just have to stop creating the disturbance. You just have to stop letting your uncontrolled thoughts about yesterday and tomorrow destroy the beauty of today. This is the one thing. The one thing destroying your peace is your own mind running amok. But the one thing that can restore your peace is also your ability to become conscious, to witness your mind and to choose to live in the only reality that exists, this present moment. Take a moment right now. Feel your body. Hear the sounds around you. Take one conscious breath. This is life, and in this moment, there is no problem. There is only peace. Thank you so much for watching. If this perspective resonated with you, let me know in the comments below. And for more insights on living a more conscious and joyful life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.